see the stop. Tranquil indeed. Greetings and welcome to TC Lifestyle Adventure. Today I'll be exploring the Hillsborough River State Park near the Sassa. Wait for it.
Stop.
Yeah, I didn't see the stop. For this video, I'll be exploring the underrated part of Hillsborough County of this state park. So far, so good. Let's get started. Oh, before I say that, let me go back. For this video, I'll be getting an underrated spot of this trail, including an infamous suspension bridge. I saw it online and I can't wait to see it. And I can't wait for you to see it either. Let's get started. I hear water, and I saw that sun, so I definitely am here. I'm gonna just walk under here. Check it out. This is the Hillsborough River. Actually, this is not my first time seeing it because in another video, I was on the Riverwalk in downtown Tampa. And also in another one, I was on the river after they dyed it green for St. Patrick's Day. But this is my first time seeing it outside the concrete jungle. And I must say, this is beautiful. Just listen, you hear that? Tranquil indeed. Beautiful. Let me get over here. Right there. Don't worry, almost done. Alrighty. Let's keep it going. And this arrow is pointing in this direction. I'm gonna get her out the shot.
Big gator if you're looking for one.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. In case you didn't hear her, she said there was a gator along the trail. And now I'm excited. Yeah. Well, while I wait, let me look at this. I'm gonna step over here. Look at this. Right there. Okay, now that they're out the way, let me go over here. Not bad. I could definitely come back to this. Sorry about that. See, it's nice and calm over here. Kind of tempted to jump in there, but there were signs warning me not to do that. And I don't know if there's anything in there that may cause, I don't know, leptospirosis or something. Let's keep on moving. I'll go into more detail about the fauna and the flora here. Cypress knees. Let's just keep on going. You can't see it right there, but there's a turtle sitting on that log. I'm gonna get it with this camera now. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in here.
That's like that. Oh, that one. No, yeah,
there you go. See it?
I wanted to say tilapia, but
I would say tilapia too, but it looks too.
Yeah, I see one right there.
Not big enough.
You can see it right about there.
Shit, where'd it go? Oh, is it? It's right over there by the branch.
It's swimming in a group of them in a little school.
I don't know. I don't think we've seen something big like that before, so I can read.
There we go.
For me, it's just got it.
Alright, I just passed by some more people who's both confirmed there's gators along this route. So I'm definitely gonna check that out. And I'm getting more excited. This is a nice boardwalk. Just thought you wanted to see that. Whoa, there it is. I see it. Right there. He's just chilling and floating. I get it. Oh, he's floating away. Fuck. Wait. There's another one right there. Look at this big one because it's a lot easier to see. One. Go over here. Right there. And of course, I'm kind of zooming out. Once I figure out how to zoom on this thing, because it can be a little complicated, but oh well. I'll figure it out. Yeah, that one is just floating. But that one right there is easy to see with the naked eye. He's just floating away. Well, I got it.
Before I continue, if there's anything about this you felt like I should have highlighted or mentioned, or you have any questions, concerns, gripes, or complaints, let me know in the comment below. Back to the video.
Right there. Right there. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, I gotcha. Look at me. There it is. You see it? Zoom. See what I mean? He's just floating there. He's just chilling, you know? Okay, I don't really know the gender, but I'm just assuming. Now he's just floating. Well, I still got it. Totally worth it. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let me just double check he's just not messing with me. Yep, he's still there. Just chilling. Moving right along. You can't see it right now, but I can hear a fly buzzing by my ear. But thanks to my dreads, it's deterring him from getting any closer to my ear, so I don't have to get the urge to swat it. Ha ha, ha ha. That's what you get. I'll look at that text later, but I gotta get back shots of this bridge again. Okay. Wait, what was that? Sorry, but that thing caught my eye. I just gotta look at it. I need to look. Yep, that caught my eye. Yeah. Those dogs are cute. While I'm out here, let me get a shot of that. Yeah, this is also quite the narrow boardwalk. Short, simple, and sweet. Still nice to look at nonetheless. I still got a little bit of battery left. I'm still gonna do it. Got it. Haha, fly. I can hear you buzzing by my ear, but my beautiful black locks are preventing you from buzzing towards my ear to get me to trigger to swat it. Not today. I love my hair. Look how nice this looks. See, even as I'm a little bit away from the river, about a quarter mile give or take, it's nice and quiet. This is why I like to do this. Sometimes you just gotta get away from the concrete jungle, go out into the countryside and see what life is all about. That's why I like to do this. And these people in front of me, they got the same idea. Look how nice this looks. I go on over. Beautiful, isn't it? This is quite a reasonable sized state park, so this is also used as a camping ground. I haven't tried camping yet, but that's on my bucket list. Because I don't want to do that alone, but until I meet some people who I find in common with, say, hey, you want to try camping here, blah, 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 I could definitely do that. I'll definitely keep y'all posted. Because it can't hurt to try it, you know? I can't say I don't like it if I haven't tried it yet. That kind of makes no sense. So don't judge a book by its cover. Alright, I just did the Baynard Trail, And here's that suspension bridge again, but I'm gonna look at it from another perspective. And look at me, I'm like the troll. None shall pass, not without the fee. Because after all, I got to eat and I need to pay the bills. That will be X amount of money, plus tax. And tipping is greatly appreciated. Look at that. Now, look at that. I'm really tempted to walk on that thing, but I don't think it's safe enough for me to do that. I don't think it's enough to hold my weight. Man, this looks so beautiful. I definitely have to come back here, and y'all should check this out too. You will not regret it. And wait for it. I'm gonna get this just in case. And this is exactly what I was looking for. Oh, this bridge looked a whole lot bigger online, but that's the power of photography. It looks a lot bigger in camera, and the brain can be fooled from what the eye perceives. Oh yeah, if you're over 5'5", you're gonna have to duck, because that thing's gonna hit you on the head. Yes, see? It's gonna hit you on the head, but look at that. Oh, by the way, this bridge kind of rocks a little bit. Let me get out this guy's way. Yeah, this bridge is pretty narrow. Still bouncy a little bit.
So, did you enjoy this video? Let me know what you think in the comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos. I am TC, the wandering historian, encouraging y'all to try new things. Blessings!